During a race, one of the drivers got extremely unlucky when his race car stepped in the wheel of another car and went flying off, but to everyone's surprise, it ended up being a big boost for the driver. Surfing is probably one of the most adrenaline rushing sports to practice, but very scary moment was when a surfer rode a 100 feet tall wave at a place in Portugal called Nazar, which is known for having the highest breaking waves in the world. The town has even experienced waves the size of a 10-story high building. Sometimes we see people with crazy reflexes that look like they entered the Matrix. An absolutely unbelievable moment to watch was when a kickboxer dodged a kick in the leg by jumping with one leg. A crazy but bizarre moment to watch was when LeBron James made a dunk that went in but then bounced back off on the head of his opponent, and well, to everyone's surprise, the dunk wasn't counted. Even though some crazy saves in volleyball can lead to an injury, during a high school volleyball game, one of the players made one of the craziest but riskiest saves which left the entire crowd in disbelief. With so many passionate fans of any given sport, it is expected to have some moments in which some people just take it a little bit too far. An NBA fan definitely went incredibly out of line when she saw LeBron James walking out and called him a P-word. Even though LeBron James looked surprised, he didn't say anything and just let the security do their job.
Hey, watch your mouth, watch your mouth.
At a football game, 4 players went for the ball at the same exact time, and it was kind of a Matrix-like moment to watch. Sometimes in MotoGP, drivers have to be able to think quickly. When a driver noticed that there was no way of preventing the bike to flip, he jumped on top and used it like a sort of surfboard. German volleyball player Luisa Lippmann, who is known for doing some very high speed spikes, executed a perfect spike with a speed over 60 miles per hour during a match against the Netherlands. Even though some people tend to believe ski jumping is the most dangerous winter Olympic sport, it actually does not have a very high injury rate, but a jump that if went wrong would have led to a bad injury is one from Stefan Kraft, who did a 253-meter jump, which turned out to be the longest ski jump ever in history. Many people call Cristiano Ronaldo the most gifted athlete in the world. He was even tested by scientists to understand what makes him so good at football. A moment that never fails to impress is seeing how high Ronaldo can jump in action. Monster truck driving is an inherently dangerous sport because you can get unlucky with one miscalculation. A crazy moment to watch from the bulldozer team was when one driver pulled off an incredible double flip. In a game Raptors vs Heat, NBA player Derrick Jones Jr. made an incredible jaw-dropping dunk in the fourth quarter that might have been the dunk of the year.
Bam throws it a little wide and he has to crank back. Watch how he doesn't dunk it, he's throwing it in. That ball in. How does that go in on that angle if he doesn't throw it in?
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.